the part I love to share on the podcast for everybody is the thought of both not just goals, but standards. I love this picture. There's a number of different books I read just at the end of the day that both touched on the same thought. If you look at Ed Milet's One More specifically talks about this. But if you think about setting goals in your New Year's resolutions, you also set your standards. Standards are your minimums each day. So to get to bigger goals in your life and bigger targets, if you think of the goals as the targets, standards become your minimums. And so the big piece of encouragement I have for anyone who's checking out the podcast today is you may have come out of New Year's and been inspired and done the work and say, I got this big goal, and you're already starting on some activities and you're starting on these things to make that goal reality. But did you also take a look at your minimum standards each day? Because if the goal is going to change, the minimum daily standards, the habits that are the seeds that grow and mature and become the goal, right, all come from those minimum behaviors, not just one burst of activity for 1 week, the beginning of January. That's great, but it's not going to sustain the energy and the activity required